Hey guys, today I'll show you how to get this awesome Windows 7 classic theme on your Windows 10 computer. This is really good and hopefully you're gonna like it. So you have to watch this video carefully, because if you don't, there's a chance that you're gonna mess things up, and so you don't wanna do that. I'm showing you the themes in the main when I'm talking, so you can get the idea how it looks. It looks pretty good. This is the closest you can get in Windows 10. Okay, so yeah, without wasting any time, let's get started. The link is in the below description. When you click that, you will get here DeviantArt. There you can find the description and the author who made it. So you have to click in here, download. You're gonna have to create an account, so I'll take a moment and create an account and get back. Okay guys, so now after confirming your email, you can hopefully download it. So there it is. I'm gonna just cut and paste on the desktop. Cut and paste. I'm gonna extract here. Now the only thing you gotta do is just click this, copy this, go to your computer, C drive, go to Windows, look for resources, here it is, and go to themes, paste it right here, click OK. Now you can go to personalize, click on themes, and here it is, Windows classic theme. I'm going to click. I think this is the best theme out there. This is the best closest you can get in Windows 10. See, it's pretty cool, right? Anyway guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it and enjoy the theme, and please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button guys. I really work hard on my channel. I try to make my videos really short and smooth, and it takes a lot of time guys. I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel. Peace guys, I'm out.
I gave you my heart.